Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off suggested actions and replies for notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for notifications options. Settings, then notifications, and here we have advanced settings. When we go in here, we have our suggest actions and replies for notifications. By default, this function is turned on. If you want to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now this option is turned off, of course. It's a little bit hidden in advanced settings. Don't need to save, just go back to main menu, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.